Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Quick information about this car here. This car have, let me show you. We have one key that work in this car. Okay. We have one key. Let me show you. This key is working fine. You see here, this key is working fine. Okay, if you notice, I want to know where is the security light where it's supposed to be. Okay, security light is supposed to be here. If I put this key must be master key in order for us to add a key. Master key, how you know? By the time you put the key in the ignition, the light go off right away. See, I take the key out, time I put it, light go away. If it's a valet key, the light is stay here 3 minutes. 3 seconds, I'm sorry, 3 seconds. Okay, now we need to add another key. This key is not programmed. If I put it in, you're gonna see the light is still blinking. I put the key, light blinking, you see? No start. Nothing starts. So we need to program it. Okay. So you're gonna put this key in, just like that. You see, go there. Walaikum salam, brother. Okay, now I put this key here. Now look at my feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take this key out. Put it here. The key wanna program. This is a 4C, 4D. Some plug it here. Now go down there. Push one time. Now you're gonna wait here. This light is gonna blink for 1 minute. As soon as 1 minute comes, this light will go off. When this light go off, the key will be starting right away. This is one. The second one is, if you can have a machine, you read this and write it back to another one. Also another way. As soon as this finish, the car will start and the case close. This car have a 4C chip. 4C, the 4C is for Ford. Ford have a glass 4C, and for some reason it broke. The chip broke, the key broke. I made this key like 2 years ago. The chip broke, or the key broke. So we check it out, we have to put another one. We still count down here, we look for it. If the programming went through, this light should go away within 1 minute. So just bear with me 1 minute. If you have any problem, please feel free to ask. And this is for all Toyota with the 4C chip. If it doesn't work, I gotta do it again. Okay, I remember something. Not all the car can take that program. This car is 2002. 2002, you can use a machine to add the key. Yes. I don't know if the light go off. Okay, if it doesn't, I'm gonna use a machine, guys. I'm sorry, it could be a different, but most of them you can do that one. And also the machine, you can do the machine to program it. With this one, you can use OBD2, because still now it doesn't work. Okay, let me start the car. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more. Car start right, I'm gonna do it one more. Put the key inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take this car out, take the key out. Put this one. put it in. Push this one time. We're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. Again, too, if it's not, we're gonna use the tools. So stay with us, please. Okay. As you see here, I did it and it's gone. So you have to do it fast a little bit. Or you can use a tools that are programmed to add a key. It will take it because this is 2001 and 2002 Toyota Camry or 2002 Toyota Camry. You will be able to add a key by OBD2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. And this is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.